In this video, we'll be telling about one important settings in your Android phone. Using the settings, you can create a new space in your Android phone. In this new space, apps that is there in your phone and photos that is there will not show. So if you are giving your phone to anyone or for repair, you can activate this. So they will not see your photos or anything or applications. So this is very useful settings. In my case, I am using Poco smartphone. In Redmi and Poco smartphone, settings are same. Go to phone settings. After going to phone settings, search for second space. When you are searching for second space, you can see a result like this. Click on second space. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. And one important thing is that in some other phones, settings will not be the same. In Realme, Oppo, Vivo phones, there is a settings called System Cloner. You can search for System Cloner instead of second space. If you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. So if you are using Android phone, either search for second space or search for cloner. And when you are searching for cloner, one thing you should notice that there is app cloner and system cloner. You should select system cloner. Anyways, after opening that, here you can see turn on second space. Click on turn on second space. When you are clicking on that, you can see creating second space. Wait few seconds and second space will be created. Now you can see switching. After that, here you can see continue button. Click on continue. In second space, you can create new password. To create password, just click on using a password and click continue. Anyways, after that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see set now. Click on set now. First, to set password, you should enter your phone's password. After that, click on this next button. Now they are asking for second space password. Enter any password. I am entering new password. After entering new password, click continue. Again, they are asking to confirm this password. After that, click OK. Now, if you want to set fingerprint, you can do that also. Anyways, I am skipping this for now. Now here you can see second space is created. If you are looking for apps, only some apps are there. In my phone, there were so many applications, but here only little apps are there. If you want to install apps, you can go to Play Store and install applications. And one thing is that if you are using second space, you will be logged out of Google account. You can log in with same account or different account in Google Play Store. After that, you can download apps. Or another method is that open settings. After opening settings, again search for second space. After searching for second space, click on second space option, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see some options. Here when you are scrolling down, you can see move data. Click on move data. After that, you need to confirm your identity or you can enter password. After that, click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, you can see app settings. Click on app settings. And when you are clicking on that, every apps in your phone will be loaded. If you want, you can move these apps to second space. For example, I am moving this application to second space. For that, just click on this app and here you can see use in both spaces option. When you are clicking on that, this app will be there in your main phone and in this second space also. So I am selecting used in both spaces. After that, if you are looking, you can see that application here. Or if you want, you can download it from Play Store. After that, to exit from this, what you can do is, here you can see switch option. Just click on this switch button and when you are clicking on that, they are asking for password. Click on enter password. After that, you should enter your phone's password. It's not second space password. You should enter your main phone's password. After entering password, click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your main phone. Here you can see every apps. To delete second space, what you need to do is again go to second space. After going to second space, search for second space in settings and in settings, select second space and when scrolling down, you can see one option delete second space. Click on delete second space. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option continue. Click on continue. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to confirm your second space password. I am confirming my password. After that, click on this next button. After that, if you want to move contacts or installed app, you can do that. I don't want to move anything, so I am not selecting anything. After that, click on this continue button and here you can see delete all option. Click on delete all. When you are clicking on that, that second space will be deleted. So this way you can use second space in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.